According to Hong Kong copyright law, generally speaking, the author of an original work is the first owner of any copyright in the work. For work created by employees, however, the employer is the first copyright owner unless an alternative agreement has been made. In the case of commissioned work, ownership of copyright depends on the agreement between the parties. As Hkbu staff, the university policy stipulates copyright ownership as follows. Copyright to works partially or fully funded by sponsors will be determined in accordance with the terms of the contract or grants. For Hkbu-funded projects, although ownership resides with the university normally assigns the copyright back to the author to recognize contributions made by staff and students concerned and to encourage scholarship and creativity. The royalty income, if any, should be shared between the authors and the university by a proportion, as determined by the Knowledge Transfer Committee. Copyrights on books, journal articles, creative works, and other copyrightable materials produced by faculty and staff members as part of their normal scholarly activities belong to the authors. Hkbu has had an open access policy since 2016, requiring that you as a faculty member deposit your work in the university repositories, including the IRIMS launched in August 2021. As a global trend, publishers nowadays have also established various OA models, for example green, gold, or platinum diamond, with authors retaining copyright. Depending on the OA type, there may be an article processing charge, APC, usually paid by the authors, or a specialized license fee, such as transformative agreements paid by the university library. Apart from contributing to the free flow of scholarly information, there is a substantial body of research showing that making your own articles open access can potentially increase the discoverability and impact of your work, as well as the number of citations you receive. Publishing OA also means that your research can be reused by third parties with little or no restrictions. When depositing your work in online repositories, it's important to distinguish which versions are permitted for uploading. Check out episode 4 of this video series to find out more.